been some discussion on the group about the dump valves, about how some people's are in the compartment, or mine is not in the compartment, but how the angle and the hole that lines up is it doesn't work. But these are actual, you can rotate them around. I'll show you right here. It pivots here and here. See how it goes up and down? So you can angle your dump valve wherever you need it to. You can point it straight down, you can point it at an angle, you can lift it up more, but as you can tell, it rotates up and down. Maybe a little bit difficult, but it will move. Hope that helps.